Alright guys, welcome back to another lecture. In this particular lecture, I'm going to be teaching you about markup languages, and also I'll be teaching you why we are choosing HTML as our choice of markup language despite the many markup languages. A markup language is just a language that surrounds the text such that the computer can apply special formatting to it. You can just open a text editor now and just type in plain text like hello world. You save it, you go and refresh your browser, the hello world actually get displayed in the browser. But the thing is, when you try to format it, like you want the hello world to change position, you want it to be at the right side, or you want it to be at the center, you want the word to have color of red, you want the hello to be in capital letter and all of that, then it becomes very hard for you to do that kind of styling because it is not wrapped in a markup language. A markup language is like when you go into maybe Microsoft Word and you type brackets open and close and you put C inside. Let me quickly illustrate that. A markup language is like when you visit your Word. So a markup language is just like this. Let me make it real big. All right, markup language is just like when you type an opening bracket, you put a C in between, and the moment you close it, you get a copyright symbol. So you can see a markup language as those two brackets that surrounds the C, thereby converting it from C in brackets to copyright symbol, just like what we are having here. So you can see these two brackets here as a markup language because from the definition we say it is a language that surrounds the text. In this case, this C can be the text, and this bracket here can now serve as a markup language, making us to get a copyright symbol. So that's just by the way. So that is about a markup language. So in the market today, there are tons and tons of different markup languages. Among them is HTML, which is one of the most popular of its kind. Though other markup languages like XML, like XAML, like XHTML and the likes, they are popular, but they are less popular compared to HTML. XML, which stands for Extensible Markup Language, is basically the language that is used to build Android devices, their user interfaces. Then you talk about XHTML, which stands for Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. This is a very strict version of HTML. It's one of the earliest version of HTML. It is very strict and very hard to maintain, just like plain HTML. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Languages, which is what we are going to adopt in our case here. Then we have XAML or XAML, which stands for Extensible Application Markup Language. This markup language was built and integrated into Xamarin Forms, used to actually build Android applications as well, combining with C#. Then we have the KML, which stands for Keyhole Markup Languages, and FM, which stands for Formidable Markup Languages. There are many markup languages out there. I will leave you with a task. If you can do it, I would like it if you can go make research on other versions of markup languages and see why we are choosing HTML in this course.